has have le hat te hi kan man na sat an man tu dik tak she lo chuan man pol ol tak ni ma sela om je shan theu nei se an ni a exam na nga te man dik lo chuan mak lo thena ni ve tat ani he h pathum te hi an lo na le an man hun tu te chu en tir na pe in toilet fe fel fai taka suin ilo shil fe donang miang ama sabarin has hi yan zir chiang te ang has hi present tense ani mitam tak chuan she lo na wangin has man na tura have kan mang fo thino me we have a pen ti in amo it have many room ti te no mo kan mang pal lo the hei hi adik tlat lo has hi chu third person singular a chi aman tur ani enge third person singular sunita entir na mangin in shil feila chendun pani hi anoma mimile moite ani a mimitan chuan ama chu first person ani a moite chu second person chu tiang zelin moite tan po chuan ama first a chen nu mimi second person an chen dun chuan an jinga velo an chen nu pakhat a ngai chuan rel thep maya a ngai chu third person kan ti chu lo ni ta ni isha thiam tamayam a ngai chu third person ani na chan kan theta a singular ani na chan po ama hi pakhat chak ani awang ani ti soingai lovin shanghal mai ome third person singular hi pronoun ang chuan pathum che kan neya chung te chu he she le it te hi an ni mishing ming ti lawa chuan he she le it ta te chu hian has man tur tina ani chu he has she has it has te ti in I has te taila dikangem diklo engwangin I hi singular ni ma sela first person ani tlat has mang thei tur chuan third person ani ngai kan ti to kha we has ti po diklo we hi plural ani a singular ani ngai kan ti kha so tiang zelin dei po hi has nilovin have in zui tur ani ama hi third person ni ma sela plural ani tlat awangin have man ate lo zir haw leng miang have hi present tense tho ani a has ka chu singular ani ngai kan ti kha ni a have hi chu has ang lo dewin singular le plural a aman thei ve ni have man thei na pronoun te chu heng te hian ni I you we le they te I have we have they have te ti in eng pronoun ho le has aman kop thelo na chan chu I hi first person ani a you hi second person we hi plural chu tiang bokin they po plural has in danazam third person singular tia chuan amplify vek ti na ni chu atopera chuan het man ate lo soila heng pathum zinga man hun shet all somber chu het hiani man sol har takani ma jok het hi chuan first person second person le third person lam te kher ve vak lova tin plural le singular lam mangai to ve lem lo bok hun liam to nu past tense a chuan aman thei vel vek ani hun liam to ni phot chuan I had you had we had it had they had she had he had te ti in aman thei vel vek ti na ni chu